Welcome back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
And today, we're gonna go on the Old Town Trolley Tour.
Guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and push that subscribe button right over here. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please share these videos with your friends.
As you wait to board the trolley, there's a nice covered area to keep you out of the sun. The trolley has 22 stops along the way. At any of those stops, you can hop off to take a closer look or hop back on the trolley.
So of course we are at stop number 1, the old jail.
In last week's video, we were pardoned, and this week we actually got to escape jail.
Alright, as we're escaping jail, if you look to the right-hand corner of the property, right in front of us, you'll see those flags. Now underneath those flags is a black train car. Now that is the Manly Portable Convict Car. Now the purpose of that train car is to take selected prisoners to work out on chain gangs, to work on different projects around the different areas. Now instead of bringing them back to jail each night, they will have those prisoners sleep in that train car until the job is complete, which can take weeks or even months. In Saint Augustine, we are the oldest continuously occupied European settlement. We are 42 years older than Jamestown, 55 years older than Plymouth Rock. Now today, we do have a population of about 15,000 people.
As you ride the trolley around the city, the driver points out different places of interest and tells history along the way. The old city gates were so amazing to see. It's unbelievable they're still standing. They used to be the only way in and out of Saint Augustine.
Be our next stop, stop number 4, the city gates.
They also had walls similar to these around the city, topped with bayonets and cannons to protect the city.
Nobody on, nobody off. All right, here we go.
We got off the trolley and walked down St. George Street, which we'll share more in an upcoming video. We also got off the trolley at Flagler College. This place was amazing. The architecture was so beautiful. Just look at those front gates. This whole place was a work of art. Everywhere you looked, it was just breathtaking. The inside is known for its Tiffany glass windows, which you can see if you go on a tour. They only had 2 tours and neither fit our schedule that day, but we did go into the atrium, and wow, videos and pictures do not do this justice at all. Before this was a college, it was the Ponce de Leon Hotel, which hosted people from all over the world. The Lightner Museum was another stop where we got off the trolley and took a tour. This was an amazing tour, which we will highlight in an upcoming video. We also got off the trolley at Whetstone Chocolates, which we were going to take a tour, but they were filled up for the day. But we did get a nice drink and enjoyed some fudge and truffles.
House, and it was owned by Anderson, a big benefactor of the city. The house itself was built in 1839.
The architecture of the buildings all around the city were just amazing. We loved riding the trolley and looking around.
The Plaza was originally built in 1598 according to the request of King Philip of Spain. King Philip required all his colonies to build a plaza in them, built it according to a central plaza plan. The central plaza plan would include a governor's house, which is right here on the left. It would include a basilica, which is also on the left on the opposite side. It would include a open-air market, which is at the far end of the plaza. Now we're on our way to stop number 14, that'll be the Basilica. The Basilica is the oldest congregation of any denomination in America. Coming up on the right is the street you see here on the right is Appleby Street. That is the oldest street in America. You see the Spanish hospital, the Spanish Military Hospital Museum down there, and a lot of shops and restaurants and stuff. But that is the oldest street in America, named after our sister city in Appleby, Spain.
This is the oldest house in the city, which was built in 1723, because in 1702, Saint Augustine burnt to the ground, and so there was nothing left standing at that time.
Station. I guess you went with a big truck, picked it up, brought it home, and then put it together. Kind of reminds me of an IKEA project, only a lot bigger. An interactive pirate tour. They take you out, they let you hunt for a pirate treasure chest. You don't get to keep it, but you get to hunt for it. But then they have a simulated battle with a schooner. I think the schooner is the ship right next to it.
The first Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum is in Saint Augustine and is a stop on the tour.
Active archaeological site as well. There is a planetarium on premises off to the right, and there is the Fountain of Youth off to the left.
We did stop at the Fountain of Youth, and that is another upcoming video. There is so much history in St. Augustine, we highly recommend taking this historical trolley tour. Thanks so much for joining us today on the Old Town Trolley Tour.
This place is amazing, guys. If you're ever in St. Augustine, Florida, make sure you check this place out. So much history here. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button right down here. Give this video a big thumbs up, and please share these videos with your friends.
We'll see you next time on Retired and Loving It.